are so surprising. Who can believe this is how the race season begins? Sir Lewis Hamilton will be the driver of Ferrari until I saw the news reported by Sky Sports. Because at that moment, the team and Lewis didn't make the official announcement, so I still even couldn't believe it was real. But gradually, every clue appeared on the internet, like saying this is true. Because I'm living in East Asia, when I woke up today after a night, I opened Instagram this morning. Finally, this is the truth exactly. Before that I thought, maybe one day I can see the Leclerc brothers can be the best partners in the race. But the real life is always pretty surprising. Sometimes our life is more dramatic than the film, with Lewis coming to the Ferrari team. Many interesting pictures were posted on the internet, just like the strategy of Ferrari. You will never guess what is the next step. Meanwhile, I think in the future, especially after this 2024 season, maybe there will be two ways. One, this is his last team before retirement, and may finish his Ferrari dream. Two, he found the chance of winning the next World Championship, and the right team may be the chance. But of course, the Mola also may be the reason for changing the team. But according to the experience of Alonso Kimi Vettel after joining the red team, although I'm also a Ferrari fan since my childhood, after watching the 2023 season, I think the possibility of winning the World Championship for Lewis in the Ferrari team may not really be positive. Finally, I want to say, Vettel is always right. Everyone is a Ferrari fan. The 2024 season must be an unusual season. And where was Carlos Sainz go after the 2024 season? Maybe he's the man most surprised by this event. Hope you can like this video. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you next time.